The first thing comes to everybody's mind whenever we talk about Pune as a city. Of course, the answer is Symbiosis and its centers. So today, on the special request of a student who actually asked us to prepare a video on a particular center of Symbiosis, so here we are. Yes, we will be discussing about their second best option, second best center, SCM HRD, which is on the second position after SIBM Pune. In this video, we'll be talking about the location, the courses offered at SCMHRD, the placements, ROI, what all companies were there, ROI. सबसे important जो क्वेश्चन स्टूडेंट ने पूछा कि is it worth to spend 20-25 lakhs when we talk about their flagship program or the other program, is it worth in 2026? क्या इतना पैसा लगाना वर्थ है सिम्बोसिस के सेकंड बेस्ट सेंटर में? तो इस वीडियो को स्टार्ट करते हैं. Stay with us till the end of this video. I'm sure like this student who has asked this question, lot of students might be confused with this second center or maybe with third center. And end तक बने रहो, एक एक पैरामीटर को ध्यान से डिस्कस करते हैं, and I'm sure you'll have 100% clarity till the end of the video. You'll be in a position to take a decision. So first thing first, campus was started way back in 1993. तो काफी साल हो चुके हैं इस कैंपस को. 9 एकर्स में एक कैंपस एस्टैब्लिश हुआ था. 9 एकर्स एक डिसेंट साइज, एक डिसेंट इंफ्रास्ट्रक्चर होता है for an MBA aspirant, because whatever amenities, whatever parameters they or you look for, you'll find in that kind of infrastructure, that size of infrastructure. Talking about the location, it is located in the main IT hub, Hinjwada. It is very well known as Hinjwada campus because the location is Hinjwada, which is the IT hub. So आपके पास एडवांटेज है, स्पेशली आपकी इंटर्नशिप के लिए एडवांटेज है, बिकॉज यू आर सराउंडेड बाय लॉट ऑफ कंपनीज. कॉर्पोरेट एक्सपोजर आपको बहुत मिलेगा एज फार एज दिस कैंपस इज कंसर्न. कोर्सेज ऑफर्ड, दे ऑफर देयर फ्लैगशिप प्रोग्राम, दे ऑफर्ड बिजनेस एनालिटिक्स, देन दे ऑफर इंफ्रास्ट्रक्चर डेवलपमेंट एंड मैनेजमेंट एंड देयर PhD प्रोग्राम. फ्लैगशिप प्रोग्राम की अगर मैं बात करूंगा, सो बेसिकली there are 4 specializations included in their core program: MBA in marketing, MBA in finance, HR and operations. Then, as I mentioned, MBA in business analytics. Then you talk about business infrastructure management and development, and their executive, their PhD program. फी स्ट्रक्चर क्या है? फी स्ट्रक्चर में थोड़ा सा कंफ्यूजन स्टूडेंट्स को होती है. Let me clarify. The fee structure for their core program is around 20-22 lakhs. Now, why I say around 20 to 22 lakhs? Because the hostel is mandatory, at Symbiosis, SCM HRD. Hostel is mandatory, whether you are a day scholar or you're coming from anywhere in India or the world. Hostel is mandatory for you guys. Now, in hostel, there are different parameters. There are different categories, 3 sharing, 2 sharing, single sharing. So the pricing keeps changing. So if I talk about the base price will remain around 20 to 22 lakhs, but depends upon the category of hostel you will choose. The fees might vary because there are some miscellaneous charges as well, other expenditures as well. So almost between the category of 20 to 25 lakhs, you can definitely think of, and you should be aware of that this kind of fee structure is there. You have to invest that kind of fees when you're talking about SCM HRD. ROI की बात करेंगे या हम प्लेसमेंट रिकॉर्ड की बात करेंगे. प्लेसमेंट परसेंटेज इज नियर 100%. So students who are eligible to look to apply for the placements, they've got more than 100% placement guarantee. They've got their offers. All students who are placed as far as 2025 batch is concerned. Students who are eligible. Now you'll ask me, students who are eligible. Some students do not wish to take part in the placement placement process, so they will not be considered. So that's why, so all the students who are eligible, they have got the placement done. As far as the salary package or median packages, average packages are concerned, average package is around 22 to 22 lakhs. When you talk about year 2025, the college has listed that they are able to maintain the average package between 22 to 22 lakhs. Highest, top 10%, top 15% of the students have got 30 plus LPA. So that will consider as an highest package. Another highest package they have mentioned is 60 plus LPA, which is definitely an international package. It is not a domestic package. So as far as median is concerned, between 20 to 22, highest in domestic is top 10, 15% is around 30 plus LPA, and international is 60 plus LPA. So if I talk about the kind of expenditures you are paying and the kind of ROI you're getting is almost 100%. Talking about the companies, yes, all major recruiters were there. Sales, as far as HR is concerned, sales is concerned, you talk about business analytics concerned. So all the companies were there. Talking about Deloitte, KPMG, Ernst and Young, Capgemini. You talk about Tata Capital, Infosys were there. So basically, for business analytics, for business management as well, there were companies who have taken students into such roles of analytics. You talk about consulting analytics. So different analytical jobs were also offered to the students who have chosen business analytics as a core program as their specialization, because they have a separate program, MBA into business analytics. So a student asked me, sir, is it worth taking admission in MBA in business analytics? See, if all the parameters are matching, and if you're compared with other stalwart, other names, other giant names, then you have to consider the parameter, what is your expectation. This institution can give you a package of 20 to 25 lakhs. If you are in top 10-15%, the package will increase to around 30 lakhs per annum, but depends upon your performance. So if the parameters are matching, this is for that student who have asked me, I'm sure I'm able to answer you. Snap, सबसे पहले SIBM का चांस आता है, देन पीपल टॉक अबाउट SCM HRD, ऑल्दो बहुत परसेंटाइल में डिफरेंस नहीं है. ये भी बहुत अच्छा इंस्टीट्यूशन है, ऑलमोस्ट टॉप टीयर 1 का इंस्टीट्यूशन है. बट अगर इसको मैं IIM अहमदाबाद से कंपेयर करूंगा तो आई एम श्योर कुछ पैरामीटर्स में ये उतना अच्छा नहीं है, उतना ग्रेट नहीं है जितना IIMs के ABC कैटेगरी है. तो टॉप टीयर 1 के इंस्टीट्यूशन में नहीं इसको बोलूंगा, बट टीयर 1 के इंस्टीट्यूशन में ये डेफिनेटली आएगा. फीस थोड़ी सी ज्यादा है एज फार एज कौन सा कंसर्न. अगर मैं प्रोज एंड कॉन्स की बात करूंगा, बैच साइज उतना भी ज्यादा नहीं है. कोर प्रोग्राम में 180 स्टूडेंट्स हैं, बिजनेस एनालिटिक्स में 90, देन 60 एंड 30, 60 इन इंफ्रास्ट्रक्चर डेवलपमेंट एंड मैनेजमेंट में, एंड 30 इनके बाकी प्रोग्राम में. तो ओवरऑल अगर मैं बात करूंगा तो कैंपस की लोकेशन बहुत फेवरेबल है. फी स्ट्रक्चर स्लाइटली हाई है, ROI मेंटेन हो रही है. अगर आप ट्राई करोगे टॉप 10-15% में आने के लिए, तो आई एम श्योर दिस कैंपस विल गिव यू a good start in the corporate, in terms of package, in terms of company as well. Strong alumni network है. एडवांटेज मैंने आपको बता दिया, पुणे में आपके पास बिकॉज इट इज लोकेटेड इन हिंजवाड़ी, तो वो एक कैंपस का लोकेशन भी आपके फेवर में जाता है. कौन थोड़ा ये है कि थोड़ा सा फी स्ट्रक्चर ज्यादा है. अगर आप 20-25, क्योंकि अगर 20-25 लाख कैंपस का खर्चा है इंक्लूडिंग हॉस्टल, तो मैं उसको 25-30 लाख की कैटेगरी में ही डालूंगा. तो वो चीज आप ध्यान रखना कि अगर उतना फाइनेंशियल या उतना रिस्क आप नहीं ले सकते हैं, then this campus may not be meant for you. But अगर आपको पता है कि you can be in top 10, 15, 20% of the category of the batch, then definitely campus को हम ignore नहीं कर सकते हैं. One of the best campuses of Pune, SCHMRD है. और faculties, top notch faculties हैं Symbiosis की. Everybody knows people are coming from various industries, got 30 years of experience. People are coming from international universities which were A+ category universities. They're coming from those universities, those market, those corporates. So आपके पास जो teaching experience है वो unparalleled है. So all the very best, my dear students, and I'm very happy that you are asking questions about campuses, requesting us to prepare videos. Kindly ask us, evaluate if you want to compare SCHMRD with other campuses of Symbiosis, or maybe with other college brands. We can do that. At the end of the day, it is you who will take the decision. We are here to support you, so wish you all the best.